Namaste. Welcome to the new video of Teachers Text. Today, today we are going to check one new technique. Okay, it is very useful to the teachers. And lots of teachers are struggling to make the question paper in computer. Okay, the last video I have given you how to type the regional languages like Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, all these languages how to type. But in this video, but here today we are going to move up one more level. So teachers, in this video, I will explain how to make the question paper of any subject, English, science, maths, social, regional languages, any languages like Hindi, Malayalam, Sanskrit, anything. Okay, any language question paper. How can we make these question papers without typing any word? No need to type any word. Only you have to rearrange the editing knowledge only you needed to make the question paper. Okay, so today I will explain this technique. It will be helpful to the teachers, not only the teachers but students also. It will be helpful. Many students are typing different languages, struggling to make some assignments. Last video I told about this to those teachers and those children also. They can use this method to make a typed version of any matter which you are seeing in internet or in computer or your or PDF file or any file. Okay, whichever file you have in computer or laptop or internet, or whichever file you have a hard copies with you, everything we can convert into word format, typed format. In this, by using this technique, it is very easy, but only to one thing you have to get the knowledge to arrange. Okay, only to arrange the how to paper arrange, that only that much you have to practice. If you ready to do that, we can make anything to the word format. Okay, typed format. That typed format, we can reduce, we can delete, or we can edit anything. That is a typed format benefit. Okay, and font change, we can do anything, we can do. That is the benefit of typed format. But a PDF you cannot do anything. In image you cannot do anything. In PNG you cannot do anything. In a video, if you see one text, that text also we can take and convert into word format, anything whatever you are seeing. Okay, that method I'm going to explain in this video from the beginning to end. You please watch this video. Before going to the video, please, those who are watching first time, those who are watching my video first time, watching my channel first time, please subscribe. Then only you will get this type of techniques which you can use in classroom. Will get a weekly. Per week you will get one video, two, which is very useful to your teacher's life. Okay, so teachers, please subscribe, and if you like it, you like the button, you click the like button, and you share with your friends also. They also, it will be helpful to others also. We can go to the video. First step to do this technique in your computer. First, we need one Gmail account, and I think all teachers have the Gmail account, because Google Drive and Google Chrome and Google Classroom is very famous now, because many teachers are using, almost all teachers are using Google Drive. So Gmail account is there and Google Drive you have. To get the Google Drive, I told about the Gmail account. So first thing, many teachers are typing the question paper from the by looking the textbook or looking the guide or workbook. Okay, all teachers have their own subject-based books with you. Question paper book, worksheet books, guide, lots of books you have. Okay, first thing is these whichever you want to change, whichever page, whichever text you want to convert to the Word documents, format, that page you have to take as image. Okay, if you are using mobile to take, because some teachers have a question paper, some teachers have a guide or any other workbook with you. So first you think you are going to make one question paper, and you have a mini question paper with you in a book, and no need to take the same question paper to the children. I think better to take one part of one question paper, another part of another question paper, like that you can take, right? So do one thing orderly. You open the book which you have, question paper book you have, no, you open that book and take orderly by using the mobile. Clearly those pictures, those part of the question paper in your mobile, need, and keep it in mobile. Okay teachers, I think I'm not showing that message, that step, because I think you know how to take this image in mobile, so no need to show that in computer. After taking the image of this question paper, whichever pages, whichever questions you need to convert into question paper, after that you save these images into the Google Drive. Okay teachers, you save all these images to the Google Drive. So that means that step you know how to take the image of the question paper and how to save these images into the Google Drive from the mobile. That also both step you can. I think you know. Okay. Okay. Suppose you have uploaded all the images into one Google Drive in a folder. Teachers, you do one thing. You make one folder, specific folder for the question paper. For example, if you make a 10th standard question paper, half yearly exam or periodic test 3 examination, you give that folder periodic test 3 grade 10 images, that folder name. In that folder you save all the files. Okay, and one more thing, you can take the images from the internet also. For that, how to take the image, that I will show, that step I will show in the computer. How to take image in the computer from anywhere, from any site, from the video, from anywhere you can type the image by using the tool which you have in computer itself. Okay, no need to install any app to take that. So that I will show you. Okay, that I will show you, and after that, that image I will save to the Google Drive. Okay, so first step is take the image and save to the Google Drive folder. And if you are using computer to take the image, means to take the question paper, for the question paper, if you are using computer or internet web page, that I will show you how to take the image. That step only I will show you now at first. For that, I am opening the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, I'm searching for question paper, whichever question paper you need, that question paper you search. Now I am going to show you, as I am a Sanskrit teacher, I will show you how to make the Sanskrit question paper. Okay, science, maths, any question paper you can make, English, Hindi, any language question paper, but only one thing, you have to make the image of the question in the Google Drive, only that much. Whichever image you want to make it to convert to Word, that image you have to save, only that much. So now I'm going to search Sanskrit sample question paper 2021. Okay, that is, after opening browser, you type the sample Sanskrit question paper for grade whichever you need. Okay, I'm typing here for 10th standard. I typed here and searching. After searching this, I will get lots of sites are there. I'm clicking opening that one site. After that, whenever you open the site, sometimes it will be open the question paper directly, or you can download it. I think better to download the question paper to the to the computer. That is best, I think. Okay, or no problem, you can open in the website itself. After opening this, what to do is, I'm downloading the question paper at first. I'm downloading only one question paper. And one more thing, teachers, if you want to make the question paper from more than 5 or 6 question paper, because means some part from first question paper, sample question paper, and another part from another question paper, and the next part from third question paper. Like that, if you want to make a mixture of 6 question paper, 7 question paper, that also we can do. You keep it open all the question paper in the tab. You keep it open all the question paper in the tab. Okay, and after that, go to the from which question paper you are taking the first part of the question paper, which question paper which you need, you are going to make the question paper now. In that question paper, first part from which question paper, that question paper you open, and what to do I will show you. So this I downloaded to my computer. I opened the question paper in my computer, or you can open in the website itself. Okay, I downloaded and opened the question paper. If you need more question paper to make the question paper, your own question paper, you open all the question paper here. Okay, after opening in next tab you open in different tabs all the question paper, you open it. Then which part, now I am not selecting any different area, I am continuously taking the image of the, and first I need a full, I want to a little bit, we can reduce the size of the question paper, because to see more area. Okay, so this much size is enough. So I need from here, from top to these are the instructions for the question paper. Okay, this also I need. Okay, now I can see the instruction full in one page. To reduce the size of the window, easy method is you press the control button in the keyboard, and your mouse has one wheel in the middle, no, left button and right button between, there is one wheel. That wheel you rotate inwards, not outwards, inwards you rotate. When you rotate the mouse wheel inwards, the page will be decreased, size of the page will be decreased. And when you rotate that mouse wheel outward, that page will be increased, the size of the page will be increased. Okay, that is a method, that is like this. I will show you. See, I am doing that, I am rotating that wheel. Okay, like that we can increase and decrease. Now I am decreasing the size to see the instruction full page. Okay, little bit, yeah, now I can see from the beginning. So now you do, those who are using, no problem. Those who don't know, I am telling you, you have a one inbuilt tool to cut the images, that known as a snipping tool. Okay, after clicking in the type here to search bar here, not just near the start button, that in that box you type a snipping tool. See, snipping tool I typed here. So after typing here, when you type, you can see the snipping tool here. You can see just on this tool you right click, then click here unpin from taskbar, because I already pinned the tool in the taskbar. That's why you will see here pin to the taskbar. You select that one. When you select that when you select that option, you can see the snipping tool just in your tab. Okay, this is the tab, this is your tab. Okay, that in this tab you can see the snipping tool. Okay, just near, this is the snipping tool. You click once in the snipping tool, then one box will be open, toolbox. In that you click in the new button. This is the new button. Okay, new image to cut. Okay, that means a new image. So we are using that tool, we are going to cut the image wherever you need. So click on that new button, then the page will be faded. Okay, you can see. So which page you are selecting, that page, that area only will be activated. Okay, see, I will click from here to down. This page, this much I need. Okay, now that area I took as image, only that area. Okay, now this image we have to save in your computer. First instructions we took. We are going to save this one in a folder, question paper of grade 10 images. Already I have made one question paper folder. See, if you don't know how to make the folder, right click in the area, then take the new, then folder. Then one new folder will come, you type the name, okay, question paper grade 10, and you open that folder and save a name, image 1, 2, 3, 4, like that in the order. To understand, to know which is first, we have to give a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have saved here. I'm not spending more time to take the image, so I am saving that image here one by one. After that, I am closing this one, going to the next page. So in this page I need a till here, okay, but I can't see the first. Okay, I can see from the beginning to end, so no problem. So I will take the image of this one. I'm clicking here and clicking and dragging till here. Okay, so this is a first page. I think this is a first question I'm taking. Like that, you do all the question paper, whichever. Then if you need the next question is from the next question paper, next part of the question paper is from next question paper, you open that and take that image, and you take all the images for the question paper and save it in the folder. Okay, teachers, save it in the folder. Then you are ready with the images for the question paper. Understood? Now, this is the first step. First step over. Second step is we have to open the Google Drive by using your Gmail ID. You need a Gmail ID. We need a Google Drive also. Open the Google Drive. In that Google Drive also you make one folder named question paper PT3 grade 10 2021. Like that folder you have to make. That folder you open. File upload, you go to that folder where you saved, you click in the first file, press the shift button, then select last file. Now selected all the files, then click on the open button. Now it is uploading to the Google Drive. You can see, okay, all the files uploaded to the Google Drive. Now what to do is now the next step is very important. It is actually nothing. The Google will do everything. Whichever image is first, this is first image now. So we are right click on this image. Listen carefully, right click on the image. When you right click, you will get a drop down menu. From this drop down menu, you select open with. In open with, you can see Google Docs. Select Google Doc. We are opening that image in Google Doc. Now it is opening. See which image we tried to open, that image we can see top of this page. This is Google Doc, but just below this page, see that converted into Sanskrit. This is a converted format. And first you have to do is select all these converted area, then different color. Maybe it is my yellow color will be there, so you select a black color. So all letters in black color, and different type of fonts also there, different type of size also there. So that also we have to make it correct. For that, so some words are bold, some are not bold. So click one bold, it will be bolded all the words. Then once more you click bold. Okay, so boldness we removed. Then you select in the size of the size box. Okay, there you type a 12 or 14. Select for 12. So all these converter file changed into your correct format, 12 and all black. Now you can see Anuprayukta Vyakaranam. This is Sanskrit question paper. As a Sanskrit teacher, I am trying to make the Sanskrit question paper. And you can make a science or social or language or any English or any question paper. You can make like this. So here, if you have any doubt in order, you just go up. Then you can see the image properly by looking. And this one is the main heading. So that we have to only that we have to keep in one line. The other one we have to keep it down. Click there and enter. Then it came down. Then this one you have to make a bold, little bit bigger and make it a middle. So that is the heading, main heading. Next is a heading. Question heading is from here to here. Okay, so here click and enter. It came down. So this one make it bold. See, question is here. Then option. Options you by using tab you can leave space between. Okay, click there. If you know the editing, the question paper will be ready within half an hour. 80 mark question paper will be ready within half an hour. Okay, because last many years I am making the question paper like this. Within half an hour I can make question paper. Okay, no need to type. So here I am entering because making to down. So next question one, leave one space also. Then options here space. Just top of this question kha is here, no? So just below this kha. Now it is level. This is third question. One more line I am giving here. It is arranging. Like this we can arrange all this. This is the fourth question. I am giving one more and here typing this one, spacing this one. This is the fifth question and one more page, one more line. Clicking tab and it's also just okay. Now first 5 questions are ready with the options. Okay, so now one more thing teachers, before doing this, before opening this, you do one, because we need a question paper, no? You make one Google Doc. This is your question paper. Okay, actually this is your final question paper. So open one Google Doc. Google Doc means a Google Drive Word document. Okay, now Google Doc opened. Please give your heading. Okay, I'm giving heading here PT3 grade 10. Okay, now here one image we converted properly. This one you copy. This one you copy to that page. This is a blank page. This is a question. You paste there. So it is ready there. Now enter 1, 2. Get ready for the next image. Okay. Then this image you can close. Then go back to the drive. Only one image we converted. Second image, right click on the, and one more thing you can do, continuously you would open with all the images together. Okay, I will show you. Opening this image, going back to the drive, third image open with the, then going back to the drive, then fourth image open with the, then fifth image also open with the. So like that, all the images you make it open with the Google Doc. That is the first step. Then after opening all these Google Doc, you go to the editing. Only then it will be easy. Now the second image, which is second image, this is second image. This is second question. Okay, we are moving down, so you can see one more thing. Just see if it is this mark. This mark is coming here because this is another column. Another column matters will come just below or top, okay, in another area. That is problem. When you take the image, you take only this box area. Okay, now that's why. So now I'm removing that mark, we can give later, no? So first step, we have to select all the things which you converted, and then color you have to change to black, bold 2 times, then all the boldness removed, then select 12. See, perfect. Now this is heading till where? Till here. So please click and enter. Then it must be bolded. So heading. So here option is there. Then by using the tab key, you make some spaces between the answers. Then this is the only thing you have to keep this fast speed. Okay, then it will be easy if you know how to edit this page. I think word you are editing, no, the same knowledge enough to edit. Okay, tab, so like that, spacer. This is a fourth question, and okay, this is a third question heading. That also we can arrange here. Here mark came here. Okay, you remove that. Actually, mark we can add later. Okay, make it bold. Then next third question heading, it is ready. Second question also ready within 2 minutes. And pasting into that question paper. This is question paper. Okay, master question paper means our output. So pasting here. So see, from here to here the questions already, and its questions will be in next image. This image we finished, you close it. So third image we are taking, these are the questions of that heading. Okay, now go back, go down, select all these converted words and color change, then bold 2 times, then size 12. Finished. Now you start editing. Here to this paper. See that question paper, 2 pages question paper is ready. To type all these options and to finding out the questions and options and typing everything is very difficult, but now question papers are ready. Actually, like this you have to do, like this you have to convert all the images and edit and copy paste the new paper, new Word document. Okay, like this we can do the question paper very easily. Like this, teachers, you can make the question paper, worksheet, assignments without typing anything, even a letter sometimes. In between, if you want to correct some spellings, you can do. Okay. So like this we can make the question paper assignment or worksheet very easily by using the Google Drive. Many teachers don't know how these facilities of Google Drive. Okay, teachers, that the conversion is without spelling mistake also. That is a very important thing. Lots of softwares are there which are providing this one, but this Google Drive, but that softwares are making different mistakes in the in the words. But one more thing, any language we can convert, no need to select the language, Google will decide the language, which language of this image. So that is the benefit of Google Drive. So I hope you understood how to make this question paper easily without typing. And if you like this video, please like. Those who are watching first time my video, please subscribe and share with others also. We will meet next week with a new topic. Goodbye.